This is Alan Bush with ADMIS. In the stock index futures, we are seeing some gains this morning, although I'd have to say that yesterday's performance was really not that good in light of the Fed statement that they would continue with their accommodation. They will continue to buy $85 billion in debt every month. And yet futures performing, I'd have to say, a bit on the weak side, closing lower on the day. This morning we did have offsetting reports, jobless claims coming in a bit bearish, while personal income coming in on the bullish side. Looks like some technical damage may have been done, at least on the short-term charts, as far as stock index futures are concerned. Over in the currency markets, seeing the euro currency trading a little bit better. We did have some good news as far as the unemployment situation in Germany, that looking a little bit better. But retail sales in Germany coming in much worse than expected. Seeing some gains in the pound, although longer term we feel that the pound will probably come under some additional pressure. There's a continuing belief that the recession that we have seen in the UK over the last 3 years or so, in fact there were 2 recessions, will now turn into a 3rd recession. That if the first quarter GDP comes in negative, which some fear, and the yen likely to work lower. There appears to be an unofficial policy on the part of the Bank of Japan to push the yen down for trade purposes, although they adamantly deny that this is the case. So from here, look for lower prices in the pound, lower prices in the yen. And in the Treasury futures market, seeing some gains today, although yesterday I'd have to say we put in a very poor performance, even though the bullish GDP report did not perform very well as far as what we would have expected in light of some of the negative news there and how it affected the Treasury futures market. So longer term, we feel that the bull market is over in the credit markets. Any gains are likely to only be flight to quality gains, which I believe are likely to be selling opportunities. Once again, these are my opinions alone and are not the opinions of ADMIS or Archer Daniels Midland.
I think that high is there for a while.